Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the flavors of a romesco sauce, which is a lot of red peppers and tomato and garlic, wonderful stuff. I'm going to take those flavors, put it in a hummus, and serve it with roasted potatoes. How great is that? That with a salad for dinner? Awesome. Let's get cooking. First thing we have to do is roast some red peppers. Okay, I have here 2 red peppers and just a little bit of olive oil. I put like a teaspoon of olive oil on my hand and just rub it into the pepper like that. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, I have my broiler on nice and high. I'm going to put that up near the broiler. That's going to take about 5 minutes. I'm going to turn it over and then broil it for another 5 minutes. Woo! I know what you're going to say. Hey, Dan, you burned the red peppers. No, that's how you do it. You char it, get that good roasted flavor, and then take the skin off. Cut off the top. Open it up. Scrape those seeds out. Flip it over, and then all this black skin, scrape that right off. Very easy. There we go. Okay, now I take this roasted pepper, put it in a pan. I'm going to add 3 nice big sun-dried tomatoes. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic and about a 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'm going to cover this up. I'm going to put it on a low fire. And I'm going to kind of stew this together, make a nice flavor combination. Tomato, roasted pepper, garlic, wonderful. That's that basic flavor of romesco. Delicious. It's going to take about 10 minutes, kind of cook down together. Awesome. I can't wait. Okay. Okay, so chickpeas I use is Palouse brand chickpeas. They come from Washington State and they're very good, very high quality chickpeas. Look, hummus is mostly chickpeas, so you got to use a good chickpea. Palouse I find is really high quality. Hey, I get my chickpeas on Amazon. I'm going to leave the link below. Hey, back to the show. You put the chickpeas in and you run some cold water on. So just wash the surface dirt off. That's all you're doing. Fill it about a good inch. My rule of thumb is, however many chickpeas I have, double the amount of water. I'm going to put a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda inside. I'm going to put this right in the refrigerator. Going to stay in there overnight. Okay, so the second part of this is cooking the chickpeas. Remember those chickpeas we soaked? Look, I had to put it in more containers. It got so big, it soaked up so much water. Fill that bowl all the way up with water. Now I'm going to agitate these chickpeas. Like that. I fill this with water, nice cold clean water, about 4 inches above the chickpeas. Okay, the fire's on high to start, and I'm going to throw in there 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. About medium, we'll see how it goes, and cook it for 1.5 hours. Okay, check this out. Very nice, very soft. I'm going to strain these chickpeas. Okay, I have my trusty blender. This is a Ninja blender, very powerful. I'm going to leave the link below. You can get it on Amazon. It's a nice blender. And I'm going to put the chickpeas in. I'm going to put that, the red pepper mixture, the red pepper and the sun-dried tomato and the garlic and the olive oil. That mixture goes in. This will give it all its flavor. I'm using 3/4 cup of tahini. Look at that. Nice, rich tahini. Okay, I'm going to squeeze the juice out of 1 whole lemon. Okay, I'm going to add that juice. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. I'm going to add a teaspoon of cumin and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. It's a Spanish brand. Smoked paprika is very good stuff. Guess where I got it? Amazon, of course. I gotta leave you a link in the description. I'm gonna leave a lot of links in the description. Do a little shopping. Get some good ingredients. Don't forget to add a good teaspoon of salt and about 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Okay, so nice and creamy, beautiful. Great flavor. You can taste the tomato and the roasted pepper and the garlic. Wonderful. Very good. But if we take the idea of potato, roast it, and then use that to dip in the hummus, that's awesome. I'm using red potatoes. I want them about bite size. So I'm going to cut the small ones in about quarters. I think that's nice. I think that's a nice shape, good size. Okay, very nice. If they're big like this, then I cut them in quarters and then cut this in quarters. Each half in quarters. So I get this. I get that size. And it's all about the same size. I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Black pepper, maybe 1/2 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and about 1/2 teaspoon of that smoked paprika. I have a pan here. I'm going to spray with a little spray oil just so it doesn't stick. Nice, beautiful, look at that. Into a preheated 350-degree oven. I'm going to check it about 40 minutes. It might take up to an hour though. Depends on the oven. Some ovens are hotter, they take less time. Some ovens are a little cooler, they take more time. I'll see you later. Check out those potatoes right from the oven. Nice and hot, delicious, wonderful. I got that nice creamy hummus. Take about a good 1/2 cup. And I swirl it around in the bowl. Get it on the sides, like that. Beautiful. Look at that. Like that. Look at that dish. That's fantastic. You take your fork, you dip it in there, you eat some potato with the hummus. Wonderful. Very Spanish. Good Spanish flavors. I'll see you next video. Something really special, of course. Gonna be wonderful. Gonna be delicious. I'll see you there. Oh yeah. Delicious. Smoky. Wonderful. I love it.